Yo, yo, yo. Markets. We have a half day today in the market, so I'm not gonna go live for a live. I'm not gonna even try to trade today. I'm just gonna backtest today instead. So I thought I'd just hop on here and we can just backtest for a while. So this might be a little bit longer than the last one. So let's get straight into it. All right, and then we can just resume from the yesterday. Well, I was trying to listen to this Twitter space, but low key, yeah, I can't. My brain cannot. I gotta. I thought I could. I need like some music or something on. All right, let's get into it. Loki, I'm gonna try to get in here. So we like at price action here. What have we done? We've just taken buy side here. We have just taken buy side here. Barely. We barely purchased it though. So I think knowing the stock market, we're probably gonna take this low, revisit this imbalance, maybe return to this order walk, maybe turn to this area for value, and then head higher, back all the way up to those highs. Okay, and NQ hasn't taken that, so we do have SMT at the highs. So I'm looking at this low here. Here I'm gonna start a new little backtest channel on my Discord. Hold on, I think I'm just gonna do it on Notion. I think Notion just makes it easier. Um, 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 Maybe do something within here. I don't know. This was a template I got. I don't know how they did that. It's pretty sick. Here, let's go. We'll do like silver bullet, something like that. Yeah, I like weekly profiles, so then intraday action. All right, that'll be the journal we got. All right, so we look at this. We've taken buy side on ES, but we haven't taken on NQ. But we barely purged it, so I'm kind of looking for this low within the market. So let's see how we deliver that here. Um, it's about to be Monday. This thing in the top, I don't know. I think it's always messed up. But yeah, this is a Monday, not a Tuesday. So I'm at least looking for this sell side. We're well above midnight open here. That's what I like. That's what I want to see. We have this imbalance here. On ES, we've drawn up into this candle there. Okay. All right, market's just about to open. Where's the low resistance liquidity? Right here. I want to see us come back up and take this high one more time. Maybe draw into this imbalance here. So I'm gonna mark that. Okay, we drew up into there. We completed this buy model here. We're above midnight open and New York open. We've had a fair value gap in. Let's see what 950 macro does. I think we're heading to sell side here. I'm not gonna try to enter at all. I'm just gonna look at draw and liquidity. I think that's the best way for me to backtest, honestly. I'm just looking at like what is draw and liquidity. All right, do we come and do maybe 50% of this? Where are the bodies here? Notice how the bodies were below 25%. It's pretty bearish. We also have this too. Like fair value gaps. Very sensitive range right there. All right, now let's see if we keep on displacing here. If we get some form of retracement in this imbalance here. 5 minute. Have we had 15-minute change of state delivery? Yeah, we have. 15-minute looks very bearish here. So I'm pretty certain that we're heading to these lows. It's more probable. All right, 950 macro. Did the ES take the low? Whoa. What? ES is doing the complete opposite. ES is drawing up into buy side. Consolidating here. We failed to take sell side. Notice that. And then that 1050 macro just consolidated. Five-minute imbalance is holding. Had some whipsaw on the 15-minute. And then that fair value gap gets respected. Yeah, ES actually looked a little bit better here. ES came up, took these highs. So ES we had expansion, Judas swing. Look at this. It was like a bull flag. Right into 50% of that. Doing range. Right into that fair value gap there on the 15-minute. These last two up close candles. So I kind of want to backtest some like dealing range stuff. We ended up taking sell side here, minor sell side, and then we reprice up to take buy side here for value gap in, for value gap out, and we enter that. Rejection block there. We have SMT at the highs. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's not even anchored to the right level. Negative 1.5. $9.50 macro teases that liquidity. Oh, this is 2023. I was trying. Wait, this was a different one I started. I wanted to be on someone else. Someone else. I want to be on the previous one that we were doing. So that's how we consolidate right around 50% of that dealing range. And then we come up. Buy side, reprice 2. And then we really spool for that liquidity at 1150. Hello? Dang, page unresponsive. My Wi-Fi really that bad? Wow. Alright. Sell side just got taken. ES, we have yet to take these equal lows. -1 standard deviation lines up nice. Buy side getting taken right now. Displacement. We are in bullish order flow. One more time. And we actually were in a buy model there. So we had 15-minute change of state delivery. We have SMT at the lows. We're going to be in a buy model there. Look at this, the 15-minute change of state delivery right here. So now becomes a new dealing range. Stop hunt at 50%. 75% we induce into a fair value gap into an order block. Let me see if is this loaded now? Alright, I'll just use Discord. I think it's a sign. I got a lot on this chart. Alright, but sell side taken. Then we have a 15-minute change to the state of delivery. We have a 5-minute change of state delivery here. We have SMT at this low too. Smart money tool. Smart money technique. Here's the last manipulation leg. Let's try this standard deviation here. No good standard deviation within this model. We end up taking buy side here, then we come back down, and then immediately take sell side. We come up, take buy side, and then we come back down and we take sell side. Notice what we're doing here. We're generating low resistance liquidity into that imbalance here. Oh, we didn't take buy side there. Buy side, sell side. Nah, that's 50%. We end up having a stop hunt. I kind of want to just backtest like some dealing range stuff. But like, what? So we had an initial sell model. Overall, bearish. Overall, structure is bearish. But it wouldn't make sense for price to just, or I mean, price could just immediately reprice to these lows here, but we're gonna tease it a little bit, come back up into that imbalance again. We're gonna form an SMT, and then that's when you wait. That's when you wait. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Buy side, sell side, buy side, retracement. All right. And that's all I'm just gonna have like a little screenshot. Alright. Okay, I wanna go to the last session that we were at. Yeah, it was this one. I wanna continue from this. Alright, so it's 12:20. Just reprice all this, or we're about to reprice all this south side liquidity. She teased it. Okay, we took it on ES. Market opens. We've taken buy side liquidity here. And we've taken this high and this high. Then we end up forming that 9:30 changes to delivery on the 15-minute. Now becomes your order block. What do we have here? mean threshold of this. It's respected very nicely there. And then we end up repricing lower, leaving a breakaway gap because this wick, that wick is a sell side that, or is, yeah, it's the buy side that we have offered. So we have sell side and then we have buy side. So the axis left as a breakaway. And then we have sell side all the way here. Oh. Uh, uh, uh. All right, now let's see. Let's see. All right, so there's your sell side and buy side. We have buy side taken, then we come back down. We price the sell side, then we retrace. We retrace. That's a. Oh no, I want this. We're tracing an OTE right there. In 75% of this dealing range, or 25%. What time though? 9:50 or 10:50. 9:50 starts as repricing lower. 10:50 starts another repricing lower. Then 11:50 creates a last move straight to sell side. Sell side's taken. That's all that we wanted to do. Ah, it's gorgeous though. All this low resistance. Liquidity. So market opens right here. Market opens right here. So we initially actually induce sell stops here. We reprice the short term sell side. Market opens. Where's my text? I need to delete this. I never use this. I'll like sometimes use that, but hardly. Market opens, and then we push lower to take short-term sell side. Then we reprice higher and then take buy side, creating the Judas swing. Buy side's taken. And we have a fair value gap in, fair value gap out signature. What day is this? 27th. Above midnight open. Notice how midnight is. %, or midnight open is the same level as 50%. That's pretty cool. We take short-term sell stops here. Or we liquidate all this sell stops. All these sell stops. Okay. So a model like this, I know I've seen this before. Like I know I've seen this before. I've definitely done this. This is like a classic sell day. This is a classic sell day that we end up taking London high. So London high rest here. Classic sell day right then. Oh. Look at the responsiveness. Short-term sell side taken in 950 macro. Then we can count back up. Oh. Price only retraces into OTE of the dealing range, and fair value gap is reclaimed. That fair value gap gets reclaimed at no other than 1050. Look at that. Oh. This is nice. This is gorgeous. Consolidation. Oh, what starts the repricing lower too? Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at what time this starts. And then what time we act wait. Is that on the right time? Yeah. Look at what time this starts. And then what time we end up taking sell side. What? 11:50. Repricing to sell side. Starts right at 11:50 and ends right at 12:10. Yeah, today's an interesting week in the markets. We have it's a half day today, so I ain't really gonna look to trade it. So therefore, I'm just gonna be backtesting. But tomorrow we have 4th of July. It's already the 4th. That's crazy, bro. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. All right, now let's look more at technicals here. Let's first start at 15-minute. So 15-minute, we end up having this 15-minute change of steady delivery after taking buy side. So we take buy side, then we take sell side. So what do we have here? We have a doing range within this doing range here. Sell side, and then buy side's taken. Well, I mean, I guess this now is the doing range. So we have sell side, and then we have buy side taken. Then we have buy side, then we have sell side taken. So all right, this might get a little bit toxic. Okay, so this is a deep premium. Three-minute fair value gap, we end up reclaiming. Oh. Oh my gosh. Right at right at 11:10. Oh my, this they must have like Put in like some algorithmic. Very nice. Where's the silver bullet happen? So also get this fulcrum point here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They must have done something crazy to this. It's wonderful. All right. And then after that, we set up doing nothing. After that, sell side's taken, objective's taken. Don't really look for anything. All right, I want to get this a little bit cleaner. Buy side liquidity taken. This is the breaker. Doesn't really get respected though. Like normally, this would have been this would have been a unicorn, you know. It still is. You just put your stop there, but maybe you want to be a little bit aggressive and put your stop here. Notice how this intermediate term high got respected. But this short term high did not. So say you would have put your stop here. You would have been looking for sell side objectives. 50 points on ES. That's kind of crazy. No trade for me today. Hey, nice. We're gonna study. I bet. Yeah, I'm not trading either at all. I'm not even gonna look at it. Let me pull up. What's NQ doing? Cause we have a half day, right? That's what I thought. I looked at Webull and it said that they were close. Like markets closed at 1. Yeah, markets closed at 1. So I don't know. I'm not gonna try to trade that. I'm not gonna try to trade that. Cause like I don't know. That's just like not a normal trading day. See, I totally wish I could. I totally wish backtesting was easier on what's it called? Trading View, because I like to use new week opening gaps a lot. I I I, I like to use new week opening gaps and new day opening gaps. All right, mean threshold got respected. Low risk entry, first stage. Low risk entry happens above 50% or above 75%. Also, this could be your low risk entry. Short term buy side route. Here's your original consolidation. It's a big original consolidation. So also project this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. You have your original consolidation, but that's the bodies. It's important to sometimes use bodies and wicks. Standard deviation isn't. I feel like standard deviation is more like a hindsight tool. It's more a hindsight tool just to go in there and see. Like, I don't know. I would never put in like a sell order or a limit order just based off of standard deviation. Hi, bro. How to use macros? This is a perfect example. It's a perfect example. I personally use macros, and I just watched a video on this on ICT, so I got a good refresher, and I'll even pull up a little definition for you. But macros are a short list of instructions for the algorithm that has to run because it's coded to do so. Because the algorithm's coded to do things. It's coded to do things. So it'll start repricing, which means moving towards. It's just a fancy term for moving towards. So a macro is a 20-minute interval most of the time of time of day to where the algorithm's going to do a certain thing. It's either going to hunt towards an inefficiency or it's going to hunt for liquidity. That's all the algorithm does. And it'll start its delivery towards that. And if it does not start its delivery towards that, then you're likely just want to close the charts. So all this, look at price within here. So we have a nine. There's three macros that I like to use whenever I trade the morning session, and that you got to be aware of. So you have a 950 macro to 1010. 950 macro to 1010. And then you have a 1050 macro. It's just a time of the day. It's just a time of the day to 1110. And then you have 1150 to 1210. So within these three windows of time, because the algorithm runs off of time first, price doesn't mean anything unless of time. So pretty much these are going to start its delivery towards either liquidity or an imbalance here. So right here, we end up, look at this, 950 macro. What do? We end up spooling towards liquidity. This is a perfect example. 1050 macro, what do we end up doing? We start the spooling towards liquidity. And then we start it more at 1110. And then look, this is like a perfect example for you. A perfect example is just proof of macros here. We have consolidation. What starts the spooling lower? What starts us going lower? 1150. Yeah, so I like to use macros a lot. I think if I like to trade AM session, or try to trade AM session. So if I can just sorry, I'm losing. I'm trying to think here. So if I could if you can slim down your entries to just try and trade in a macro because it's a certain time of day, then I think that's the best. What about time frame alignment? I mean, I I don't really use time frame alignment. Like I don't look at time frame alignment like, oh, time frame alignment. I don't know. It's just like everything's gonna work together, and you have to have a narrative. I think that should be more stress than time frame alignment. Honestly, time the people that say I think time frame alignment is just something that you like whenever you start out. I mean, like it's I just like totally just I'm tripping right now. I was gonna talk about time frame alignment, but I don't care too much to talk about time frame alignment. All right, so we have 9:30 opens. Nine thirty. So this is 10. This is 1050. And this is 1150. And 1210. Wow, that 1150 macro was pretty. That offered a lot of points. Here's 1210. All right, I think we spent enough time on this day. I do want to look at dollar. I want to see what dollar did. Okay, so dollar kept its low in London. Oh, and then dollar had a classic buy day. All right. Next day. So NQ still has to deliver sell side. I think that's a likely draw in liquidity. My thing lagging. My PC putting in some work today. Hey, appreciate the sub, bro. All right, 9 o'clock. Ooh, okay, so we have this daily rejection block right here. And then we have sell side liquidity that rests here. We should just reprice to this here. You gotta be cautious though of that rejection block. What about ES? What are we doing? ES is just taking sell side. So ES has just completed this sell model here on the daily. You have buy side to sell side, and let's just take a second just to maybe. Okay, so we still have -1 standard deviation. That could be a possible target. Notice what you have here. You have a fair value gap in, and then you have a fair value gap out. Then we reprice back up to this order block here, or you can even say this order block. I would choose to use these two candles as my order block. Displacement imbalance here is repriced to. Boom, sell side. After taking short-term buy side here. Was this like a weekly? Oh, weekly for I got. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I just want to map out this dealing range. Dealing range. Oh. Breakaway gap at 75%. That's lovely. All right, I would assume that we want to still take sell side here on NQ today, but you gotta keep in mind that we've just taken sell side here, so we might want to do some repricing higher to maybe this high, and then we have an imbalance here that I'm looking at right above this high. But I don't think that this is an area of resistance because we've already offered buy side within that. So I would look at this high too. What are we doing right now? We're in buy side delivery here. So we could have possible 930 expansion. We do have a shallow raid on. Okay. I think we'll have 930 expansion. All right, 940. Equal highs left within the market. Where's low resistance liquidity? Where's high resistance liquidity? Right here at market open, we don't really have any. We don't really have too much high resistance liquidity. So, I think this is just. Overall, I do favor a buy side liquidity run here. Let's also map out this. Oh, look where we're repricing to. Equilibrium of that dealing range. We have order block here as well. Yeah, I think it's favorable that we will get a buy side run here. Do we have any form of SMT here at the lows? ES is taking. No, we haven't. Big whipsaw right there. We should reprice higher. Alright, short term is pretty fickle here. $9.50 took short term buy side here. We might want to reprice to sell side liquidity here. I favor buy side more though. Alright, we're within that imbalance here. If we get displacement here. Actually, I don't think so. This looks like we'll get continuation. There's times when like we'll hit a higher time repeater rate and I'll be like, oh yeah, we might reverse here, but we really just want to continue. So let's see if we want to continue towards buy side liquidity that we still have resting. Yep. See, this is a type of profile that can get you messed up if you try to short it because like there's no confirmation that we want to go lower. Like I thought about for a second, but no, we're just heading towards buy side. Look at this, and oh my gosh, another testament. What's good? What's good, Fish Cat? What's good? How you doing? How you doing, bro? Because notice here we have the 950 macro, and then 1010 starts repricing higher. Right at 1010. Man, we've done like 2 days here. I think backtesting I like to take my time with, and I don't know. I don't really like to just look for entries. That's not how I like. I don't think that's like beneficial, at least for me. It's more about just observing. So we have order block, and then we have a propulsion block. Whenever we can keep on backtesting this, but the fact that we've had an order block, and then we've had a propulsion block, that can qualify just 930 expanding. Like we don't really have to have a significant Judas swing. Propulsion block confirmed. Order flow bullish. So Judas swing doesn't have to happen. Fighting the 100K challenge. Hey, good luck, bro. I just want to delete this. Ah, I can't. Oh my gosh. I want to see how we reaccumulate within this. All right, bro. What is going on? Oh, wait, there we go. This is hourly Cibi here. It's probably hella confusing if you're just watching this. This is 75% of that hourly Cibi. And this is the 15-minute. You have 25, 50, 75. Do we have SMT with YM at these lows? We have them at these lows with YM. I'm not gonna lie, like looking back on this price action and like the fractal that we have been looking at, YM's like actually like correlated. YM's actually correlated, but the price action that we currently have like within the market currently, YM's not correlated at all. So it's hard to use SMTs now within the market with YM, but I really think that just times when YM does kind of move in tandem, then I think it's good to use SMT with YM. Is there a daily level here? Alright, so we definitely want to reach for that daily imbalance. $10.50. Kind of consolidation here. Alright. We have a mitigation block here. And I'm using a wick because it's in line with a gap. But what would you do, what would happen if you just used the body here? Never gets repriced to. It's also a 15-minute wick with a 15-minute gap here. This could be IRL to ERL. PM session IRL to ERLs happen more than not. PM IRL to ERL. That's what I've noticed. PM session, we usually have an internal range to external range liquidity trade. Yo, what's good, Reno? Okay, so let's see. I mean, I know it's like not the most here. I mean, it's still a market maker buy model. Do we have SMT at the lows? I need to pull up ES on the side. Looks like we probably don't. Kind of fickle PA. That's why I don't try to trade PM session. This could be your PM session silver bullet. Let's go to the next day. So right now, I think we want to reach that daily SIB. We also have this high here. I'm looking at what day of the week. This is a Wednesday. I don't like this indicator. Just is a day. It's a day late. So it's actually a Wednesday. So we end up having Monday consolidation, Tuesday consolidation, Wednesday reversal. So I'm looking for buy side liquidity here. If we map out this dealing range, we've just expanded and created a breakaway gap within 50%. So we could either consolidate Thursday or seek more expansion. Since we've just taken buy side liquidity, we could consolidate here, but let's see what the overnight session does. Oh, it's 10. Oh my gosh. It's already 10. Okay, so we took short-term buy side. We didn't want to come to that to these highs here. We just want to reprice here. Okay, because this was just a market maker sell model. Gotcha. So right here, the fact that we disrespected this imbalance here, that would have been big insight. The fact that we disrespected that. And then what do we end up doing? Becomes your inverse. So we end up disrespecting that. Just some low hanging fruit could be an order block objective. And we also have this low here. I don't think that we could take this low today, but we'll see. All right, let's see. What is this, 929? Thursday. So same theory. Same theory here. So we've taken buy side liquidity overnight. And where's 930 open? Right here. We have order block, and then we have propulsion, and then we have another order block, and then so we have just bearish order flow confirmed. So 930 can't expand lower. We're also well below midnight open. Dude, we had to have 8:30 news. Oh, Powell speaking. Wait, no, Powell spoke yesterday. Yeah, we had 8:30 news. Wait, was yesterday like the really nice day that we had? Oh, okay. Yesterday? Oh, okay. Oh, that makes so much more sense. That's why we had a little bit of fickle market open. Gotcha. I thought it shows me down here. I don't really get this too much. Why doesn't it show me on the chart? Usually it does below here. Alright, whatever. 8:30 news never really manipulated though. But the same theory. We have sell side taken. Come back up. Take short term sell side. Your price right to that order block. 9:30 opens here. Expansion. Alright, let's see. We have this low here. Do we have an hourly PD right here? I want to see this order block that we're within. I think we could have some short-term displacement higher, actually. And then we're well below midnight open. Alright, now we can reprice higher. If I change their delivery. Okay. So we did want sell side. Where do we put this low in? Well, I mean, we just engineered a low right below So we could have had displacement higher, or we could have had possible expansion higher if we put in that low like right at sell side here within that hourly order block. But since we engineered this low right above that PD ray, the sell side liquidity. Uh, 950 institutional or flow entry drill. Fair value gap right there. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Nine thirty opens. No Judas swing. No Judas swing at all. No Judas swing at 30. Where'd my water go? Oh, it's right here. You could have got you could have had a stop. You could have got stopped here actually. If you were to engage with this. But we're just in too far of a discount, really. Now once we reprice, we take buy side here. Probably form SMT here with ES. Run on stops. Run on profitable stops. Who's been making money all overnight? Do we have an SMT here? Hopefully we do. Hopefully we have an SMT at least somewhere. I would like to see that. Haha. There it is. It's right here. There's your SMT. Displacement during 9:30. Come back. Right to this fair value gap. Right to these up close candles. 950 macro. We engage lower. How many points do we offer? Oh, just little 100 points. Engineer lows right above that PD array. Come back, run on stops. Do we form a short-term SMT here? That's what I kind of wanted us to see. That's kind of weird. It like tries to yeah, there it is. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. There she is. Fair value gap in. Fair value gap's out. This is when you can take an entry in a discount of a price leg. It's when we have fair value, when we have a balanced price range. If not, we have a breaker. Oh, oh my gosh. Very nice. Very nice. Breaker. PM session. PM session. Run on profitable stops. And there was a short term low engineered right above sell side liquidity. We form SMT, which creates a turtle soup on ES. we get displacement lower, and it's clear that we want sell side liquidity. -1. -3. At around 50% consolidation. We have a fair value gap that gets repriced too. And then sell side's taken at 150. What starts this? We have a 1250 macro or 1150. %. This is a classic PM market maker sell model. I never did this deviation, so it'll be pretty short. Oh no, -4 lines up nice. Reaccumulation, possible retracement or reversal. Oh yeah, beauty. Oh my gosh, look at this reclaimed order block. Oh my gosh. Oh my, we barely missed that. That would have been beautiful. If we delivered straight to that, that would have been crazy. Let's look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, notice how this is that breaker too? It is the breaker. Wow. Very nice. I mean, a repricing higher. Do we form SMT at the lows? Between 220 and then 3? No. So, I wouldn't classify this as a high probability reversal. I would not. All right, one last little overview of the day. Notice how this was a classic sell day. Classic sell day with London high intact. So we never took London high. Or, sorry, that's, yeah, it is still London high. Wait, no, that's not. We'll say overnight high does not, high does. That's those. Those are pretty nice projections. I'm not gonna really do any others. Okay. I think that's enough. I think that's enough for that day. All right. So overall, bearish institutional order flow. Overall, bearish institutional order flow. Oh, I accidentally skipped. But we have no news this day. We put in a low there. We have an imbalance that we're within right now at 9:30. We also have sell side that rests here, and then we have buy side that we just took. This would have been a nice Judas, I think. Let's see it. Wait, did we have 8:30 news? I don't know. Forex or this thing's always bugging with what type of news we have. September 30th. I don't trust it. I want to go to Forex Factory. September 30th. 30th. Wow, it didn't even apply that. Here we'll oh. Here we go. We do have 8:30 news. Okay. We might just keep this up. So 8:30 news. Okay. I like that better. 8:30 news comes in the market. We just get expansion lower. Take sell side. 9:30 opens, then we take short-term sell side here, and then we expand towards buy side liquidity there. We reaccumulate right at 25% of that dealing range, and then we go up to 50% of that dealing range. I want to. What's half of this? Gotcha. Okay. So 8:30 news liquidates these lows. Then 9:30 we come back down and we purge these. It's like I hate how there's like too much on my chart sometimes. All right, but this is that swing. I'm grading that imbalance here. 25, 50, 75. Under that. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is classic Judas. Classic Judas. Classic Judas. Classic Judas. Classic. So we had 8:30 news. 8:30 came down, already purged sell side. So we've already taken sell side here. And then we start repricing lower, and then market opens right here. Market opens here right at 9:30. 9:30, we come back up. Just to where? Sell side imbalance. So we have a Judas swing higher first, then a Judas swing lower. So we get a move higher, then a move lower. Gonna expand this into SIBI, then repricing back down to the fair value gap, or to ERL. So what do we now have? We now have high resistance liquidity. High resistance liquidity. Where's the low resistance liquidity within the market? Do we have SMT here? No. Maybe with this low here. Friday at 12 a.m. No, we don't. Go. Okay, I'm gonna capture the screenshot. Fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out. Look at that. I mean, this order block exists on a lot. Look at the wicks though. I mean, the wicks are okay to do that. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out, balanced price range. Do you have SMT right there? That would be a nice soup. No, we don't. I think SES shows us a little bit clearer. We reclaim it. We get another repricing higher at 1050. Oh, that's kind of like almost when we take buy side here. Let's get some where do we consolidate? Where do we consolidate? Good morning. What's good, brother? Standard deviation. Chef's kiss right there. Oh. Oh. Whee. Hoo-wee. Ooh-wee. So that's enough of that. Nice Judas swing. Now we had fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out, but we've already taken sell side. Not once, but twice. And we've taken buy side. So there isn't really a favorable draw on liquidity right now. So what could we do? We could just consolidate. We do end up taking sell side. We purge buy side. We immediately reject this for fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Consolidation. 50%. It's a breakaway gap right there. I want to try something here. Oh. Breakaway to measuring. Also got your last manipulation move here. Your last manipulation leg. Wow. Wow. Alright. Let's do the bodies here too. Nice little PM session market maker sell model here. Although it's just like not very favorable. I think so, or I would say. We have sell side, buy side, sell side. Bell side, buy side, sell side. Back testing, no pay, no bills. What do you mean? Confused. You don't think back testing is helpful? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? All right, we could have 930 expansion here. But today is a trading day. All right, so we have this breaker here, or this mitigation. Today's a half day in the market. Today's a half day, so I'm not gonna trade personally. I mean, I'd rather backtest, so that's what I'm doing. This we have accumulation. Ooh, buy side, then sell side here. All right, we drawn into the breaker. I think we might want to trade into this. I'm gonna use just the portion that we haven't delivered to. But we have these wicks here, so I don't know if that'll be a. We'll see what if price wants to go there. All right, 930 opens. Let's see this for value gap. This should get respected, I would think. Do we have 10 a.m. news? Let me see. Yeah, we have 10, and then Powell speaks at 3. All right, hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Every day is not a trading day. Yeah, facts. I mean, just because the market's open and you can place a trade doesn't mean that it is a trading day. All right, so we have that SIBI that's above market price. Order flow, what is it currently? It's bullish. It's bullish. We've taken buy side, we've taken sell side, we repriced higher. Do we have an SMT? Wow. And ES literally looks exactly like NASDAQ. So ES has these failure swings above market price here. So that's where ES could be heading. Let's see what does tomorrow have. Okay, it's NFP week. Buy side, sell side within an imbalance here. Oh, this is nice. Within a fair value gap here. And then we have this change of state delivery. Right there. Order block. Gets tapped into. And then we get huge displacement off that. Even though we have 10 a.m. news, like it's still, even though we have 10 a.m. news, it's not like a bomb's dropping in the world. It's just something to cause fear. Be like, oh, I don't want to trade till news. I don't, I'm not against trading at news. I really am not. Unless if it's like CPI or FOMC, I don't think it's. I mean, obviously, I would like to be positioned before news. I would like to be positioned within this order block and then have a stop maybe here, but that's just my personal conviction. 2 minute. Do we have 1 minute change to delivery in that PD ray? Come back into this imbalance here. Oh, constant encroachment, beautifully. Now we're within that imbalance there. Where's 950 macro? Ooh, right within that macro too. Beautiful. How many points? That's 100. That's 100 points. Oh my gosh. Like I'm surprised they don't change the how many dollars per tick a contract is with inflation. All right, let's see if we get an IRL to ERL set up here. I don't think we're gonna stop at this imbalance. I would rather look to trade ES here. So let's study ES. We have this possible 15-minute imbalance here in line with this order block. This could be where price wants to head back to for fair value. So we had this 15-minute fair value gap. There's probably 75% of this dealing range here. Yup. Yup. Oh. Beautiful. Like, we don't even want to see a discount of this range. I want to try something. Oh, we didn't. Did we do it on NQ? Oh my gosh. This is in ICT's 2021 mentorship, but basically it's a oh my gosh. We'll come back into OTE from the change of state delivery. So from that order block, we'll come back in OTE of that. So like if you're projecting this, you're like, oh, we didn't even come into discount. We came into OTE of this. OTE. OTE, bate. Bate, bate. Zebati, bate. Maybe a 5-minute imbalance here. 5-minute order block. Acts as fair value. Failure swings. Devil's mark here. It's candle with no wick. We have 2 consecutive devil's mark. Devil's mark. Devil's mark. Devil's Devil's marks. Devil's mark. Well, I like that 3-minute candle with a fair value gap. With an OT. With a fair value gap. Poo-wee. With a short-term low. Ooh-wee. With a SMT maybe? With an SMT. With buy side still yet to get delivered. Look at that. This is an ICT core content month 12 episode 4. It's talking about how whenever you have an order block with a fair value gap with a short-term low engineered right above or below it, maybe it's this right here. You interpret that as a short-term low. Then we come into here. Yeah, I would say that this is good as well. That short-term low there. And then your stop could be below this low, or maybe mean threshold of this order block. Is it even possible? Yeah, you can run like 16 charts on FX Replay, I think. OTE? Personally, I don't like using OTE. I wouldn't use it as an entry, honestly. Alright, then ES takes buy side here. I just don't like OTE as much. Alright, we're well above midnight open. We have this high. We also have that rejection block. I don't know. This price action seems a little bit obscure. I think Powell speaks this day too. Tuesday? Oh wait. Oh, he spoke the previous day. We have 10 a.m. news. Powell spoke at 3. Didn't really do much. Overall, where's the low resistance liquidity? It's not as clear. It's not as clear. We do have lows that exist here, right above an imbalance. So I'm gonna mark that. We also have buy side that rests above here. Okay, buy side gets taken first. What are we thinking? Why did buy side get taken first? Oh, yeah, we have a propulsion block. Propulsion block confirmed. It's the same thing every day. Propulsion block confirmed. We can have 9:30 expansion. That honestly could just be an entry model in itself. If we have a propulsion block at 9:30 on the 15-minute time frame, just take a trade, and then you'll get very nice low resist liquidity conditions. And if you lose, you lose. Like, simple. Yeah, I know. It's been crazy. Like, if you look back at my videos like 6 months ago, it's crazy. Like, the amount of growth I've had, I'm just blessed. All right, buy side's taken right now. I don't think that this is a favorable draw on liquidity. Where are we likely to expand to if we were to? We have that high here. Let's see if we just get expansion towards that. Alright, we get buy sides taken. We have buy side that rests above here. So if we just consolidate today. Maybe we want this imbalance here. Oh. Yeah, let's just get this over with. We just return to fair value and expand higher. To the tick. To the tick. We repriced at fair value right there. With that imbalance here. Is he just taking trades or doing commentary? I'm backtesting. This is how I backtest. Whenever I backtest, I don't really like to look to trade it. When I'm backtesting, I'm looking at historical data to help me see it, you know? Like, I don't think like backtesting, I don't think you need like backtesting. I really don't think it's, especially like if you don't have a specific model that you want to go in and backtest. I mean, like, obviously it could be okay just to go in there and look for entries, but how I personally I think I've learned the most when I just go in there and I see what price does and then I annotate it. That's how I backtest. All right, so we have a order block here. We have a change state delivery on the 5-minute after precisely offering fair value. It's pretty nice to see. Then we have a fair value gap above market price, which could be a good draw on liquidity. Now we're kind of accumulated around 50% of that dealing range. The way you do it, narrow down to a specific time fractal and study its behavior. I would agree. I'm just looking at price. Fair value gap gets traded to. Look at where we had consolidation. Why was that? What's ES doing? ES is drawing higher. Oh my gosh, look at that consolidation that we had. 9:30. ES ES really expanded. We come back into an imbalance here. Accumulation. Manipulation. Distribution. That's all AMD. And look at this order block. Whenever I see an order block, no wick. It's very nice. We have a 4 minute. Consolidation around. Oh, we didn't take that low. I thought we took that low. That would have been very nice. 75%. We have silver bullet up to buy side. Buy side liquidity taken. Fair value gaps in. Fair value gaps out. Oh, look at -1. Negative 1 is buy side. -1's where we put in that high. Overall, we consolidated for a lot of this after 950. But I mean, I guess we expanded on. I didn't realize how much we expanded. I was just looking for buy side here. I appreciate it, Judy. All right, we will go to the next day now. Let's see. It is NFP week. That was 10 a.m. news. My music just stopped. Should we go live? Should we do this for 12 hours? Can you imagine? I don't know when I'll stop. Alright, we're below midnight open. We've generated liquidity. We have trendline phantom. Do you have a daily buy side amounts? Okay, we could be creating one. We do have this order block here, this level here. Let's see if we end up reclaiming that. Alright, let's see what price does here. I want to see change state delivery. I want to see this get taken today. Has ES taken buy side? Does ES have a daily? Same kind of thing. ES could want to draw. ES could consolidate. We could create a fair value gap, and then we could draw into that later today. Would you put in trades? I would not. Swing trades maybe, but even then, I would just recommend doing all trading inside kill zones. That's what I would do. Because the algorithm runs on time first. Okay. What is price doing right now currently? We have sell side that we just swept. Okay, I don't know. This isn't. I want to wait. I want to wait for 950. Okay, fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Do we have SMT here? We have to. There's no way. There's no way we can just displace like that. With YM? Yeah. See, I want YM to be looking like this. YM never be looking like as correlated. SMT, fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out. We have buy side liquidity. Okay, another raid. Yeah, this does not look bullish at all. Do we have an hourly imbalance? Oh, you repriced too? Oh. Hourly order block. What? No, that's not. Is it? Is that at the time that happened? Yeah, it is. Hourly order block. Fair gap in, fair value gap out. This is the initial Judas higher. Ah, ES looks nicer. Oh, that's dirty, dirty, nutty, 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 nutty. Oh my gosh, look at that delivery. Dirty, dirty. I wish we had another imbalance that we were repricing to. Buy side taken though. Judas. Oh. Yep. Short term sell side rest here. Right at a certain time of the day. It's every day, folks. Where's some other targets, possibly? Maybe that daily order block level could be a target. How many points is this on ES? 15. That is plenty. Two-minute order block to 3-minute order block. 4-minute. Let's check mean threshold of this puppy. Oh, beautiful. What about mean threshold of this? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. 950 leads. Sorry, I was aggressive there in all caps. Leads into balanced price range and mean threshold of order block on the 2-minute. We have a Judas swing higher, but we failed. Oh, but we have failure swings at the lows with order flow on the higher time frame being bearish. That's where the algo wants to go. Alright, let's see if we get to that daily order block level. I don't think the market's going to top like this. This could be a shorting opportunity. We have a 15-minute for value gap here. I mean, I guess it would. We did just take sell side, which. Let's see. But we probably want that order block level. 1050 macro. We're just consolidating. Oh, we had an hourly for value up here. I need to delete this. I don't use that anywhere. I don't use inverse for value gap either. I don't use this anywhere. I don't use that. What's the daily chart look like? That's the level I should have had. I should have had the wick. Because we have a fair value or. Oh my gosh, that is very nice delivery though. It's very nice delivery. Order block, and now we have a 15-minute chain state delivery. I would choose this one. Daily order block wick. 5-minute change to delivery here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Then we have buy side that rests above here. Get a little dealing range here. Get some swing grades. Consolidation around 50%. I need to change that. I don't use that either. I have this. It's called OG. It was like original consolidation. That's why. Ah, this is nice. Let's see. Where is standard deviation? Whew. Whoo-wee. All right, this could be a reaccumulation zone here. Could be a silver bullet here. Do you have any PDA right here? 15-minute. I would like to see this. 15-minute fair value gap and mitigation or and breaker. Ah, you naughty. You naughty. It didn't want to draw into that. We drew into the fair value gap though. Okay, so the fair value gap got respected. That was how sensitive that was around the 75%. That was how sensitive that was. All right, and let's we can fast forward this. Okay, well, we go all the way to buy. Oh, okay. We go all the way to buy side here. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's get some little swing grades in this. Let's get some little swing grades on this puppy. Silver bullet right at the 75%. It's programmed. It is programmed within that order block. What do we do at 50%? Consolidate. Oh, where does standard deviation line up to the tick? Not to the tick, but pretty. The wicks. It wicks it. What about this first? Oh, it's 9:30 right now. Let's pull up on the stock market. Oh, I don't like this color. I like the cream a lot better. I swear I had it set to cream. This is like, it's like, That's a little bit too white. I thought I had it set. I kind of mess with that cream, you know? That little cream team. I'm in FX replay here. All right, so let's look at the market right now. I don't know. It's a half day today, so You know, like where's my tab that I usually use? What? I don't know. What? Why did it? I think it's this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, this is what we want. Buy side rests above here. Buy side, then we take sell side here. We've displaced above 50%, so we're likely gonna see this high here. Do we have SMT at these lows? Let's check YM. You know, hey, let's just check the YM. We don't. Okay, YM has taken these highs. We upset all this liquidity here. I really don't know what she's gonna do. We'll come back. We'll come back. I don't really care to partake in today because it's a half day. Tomorrow's July 4th, and I think it's only open for half. But yeah, where we were, good standard deviation. It didn't get better than this, eh? What? We trade right into that too. Oh, you know what I haven't been backtesting is those root candles. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Wow. Wow. All right, let's go to the next day. Wow. Wow. Do you think it's better to look for an entry after news? It fully depends. It depends on what like it. Okay. I don't know. I don't really want to give advice. But I would say what I personally think, and everyone has a different opinion, is like if the mod if it's like price action is still gonna deliver nicely to the draw and liquidity. And if you want to rewind, there's a time when that happened at news, and I commented on it. But I guess we'll see. Like as we continue to backtest, like as we backtest every single day, like these are just gonna be case studies that we can refer back to. And I kind of wish I did more. I guess we'll see. Right now, I have a Discord going where it's just like I have a 7-3 backtest, and then I have the 7-2 backtest. Should we aim to do like 10 trading days a day? We've only done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've only done 8 trading days, and it's been 2.5 hours. That's crazy. Time flies. But yeah, I want to do like 15 trading days today. Like 15 trading days. I would say, sorry, I kind of dodged your question. I would say it depends on the price action. If I were to trade before news, I would like to be positioned in profit before the news happens. And it depends what type of news too. If it's CPI, hell no. If it's FOMC, I'm not gonna. Or yesterday yesterday we're back on that daily order block. Yesterday, uh, sorry, what I was trying to say. Yesterday, just watch that on FOMC. It's pretty nice. Okay, we're back in the daily order block level. Price is still short-term bullish here. I want to see this fair value gap be the draw on liquidity. We should find support here. We create a wick. Did we immediately rebalance? We left a little gap. Did we leave a gap on ES? We had to have. Yeah, so ES might want to, or ES, sorry, yeah, ES respected that wick. So we saw a buy side resting above. We are below midnight open, but this just looks like aggressive order flow, so I don't think trying to look for, or here, let's skip a bit. Okay, now this does look a little bit better. We have fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We don't have our propulsion block yet, so okay, hold up. Sorry, let's see the economic calendar. What day is this? The 6th? Oh, it's Thursday. It's NFP Thursday. We don't have any 8:30 news. Oh, why is unemployment claims orange folder? I swear they're always red folder. Alright, I think we might want to take this low here, honestly. That hovers within an hourly imbalance. And then we'll probably find support at constant encroachment because that lines up with this order block here. Let's see, because we're just rebalancing this inversion. Yeah, we want sell side. Could this be a why? Could this be why to avoid NFP Thursday? Dang, I gotta use the bathroom again. My bad, y'all. My bad. All right. So if we look at this price action, NFP Thursday, I actually messed up. So what do we have? We have 8:30 news expands higher. Then we come back lower. Then 9:30 opens right here. We come into a hourly down close candle. So 9:30 hourly down close candle. Boom, we expand higher. Where to? And to buy side. Buy side liquidity. So hourly order block, boom, straight to buy side. Hourly OB propels price to buy side liquidity and imbalance. At market open. Okay, so market open, boom, propels price. And we have fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Where do we go to? Short-term sell side, and then this imbalance here too. So you could have said that, hey, we want to go here to this low. Technically isn't wrong, but that's why taking partials is important and crucial. Here we have buy side taking, breakdown. Then we have a true market structure shift here. We have order block right here. We've taken buy side liquidity. We're off of that 5-minute imbalance right there. This is all happening during the key time of day. 9:50 macro to 10:10. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. How many points is this? Probably like 300 points. 140 points delivered within just one macro. Even more than that. Okay, if we do the extreme, the absolute extreme. If we say the absolute extremes, 167 points delivered in one macro. Here, why do we not get really much retracement? Because we have a balanced price range here. Where do we reaccumulate at? Where do we pause just a little bit at? This down close candle. Sorry, I'm gonna do that as mitigation. No retracement. No retracement. Offered just fast delivery to sell side. Can you tell me what to do when you use Forex Factory? I just don't know what it's for. It's for news. I use it for news. So if you go into Forex Factory, what I do here is I just first go filter. I do everything, but you can filter out to red's gonna be high impact, medium impact, low impact. I really only pay attention to high impact news. So I really don't need all this, but I just have it on just to kind of know. And then over here you can filter it to if you trade Forex, you can do maybe you trade Euro, USD, and pound. Maybe you wanted to maybe trade EU and GU. Maybe you just do this, or maybe you see all, then you can apply that filter. And then also you can I've never messed with these though, but yeah. I use daily FX calendar. That's weird. That's weird. We engineer like we didn't take sell side. So this is NFP Thursday. big up close candle. Map out mean threshold of that. Gets respected. So I'm looking at this right here, just this balance price range. There's a lot of stuff on the chart. Overall, I'm gonna say this is just like a testament. Only really want to be trading maybe an AM session on NFP, but this obviously is just one case. I mean, the delivery's still there. You're just could likely hurt yourself. That could be your soup right there. I don't like to trade like that. I don't. I think it's more advanced. And when I don't know, I was in a mentorship to where, or I was in someone's Discord to where, like, he traded soups a lot, which, like, I don't know, that it was not good. It was not good for me because then I tried to trade soups too. But yeah, that could have been a nice turtle soup trade. Then we reclaim this imbalance here. Very premium end. 2 p.m. starts here. And then we seek sell side delivery. Right above New York. 75-minute PDRA. We have a 5-minute imbalance right here. In line with the order block mitigation. Institutional order flow entry drill, because this fair value gap is in line with the inverse right there. So that's a good inverse institutional order flow entry drill. Maybe you want more confirmation. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We have a nice sell side imbalance there. And then we tease sell side once again. Come back up. And then go once more lower. Overall, the draw on liquidity was lower. This is NFP Thursday. We are generating a bit more liquidity in the PM session on this day, and therefore price isn't as snappy with how it delivers, how it delivered towards draw on liquidity. Although the draw on liquidity is there, we fell short of sell side within 10, 12, and around 312. Tesla. It's only been 1 year since I started rapping. Greatest. Life is a gamble, but death is a promise. You still gotta watch how you play it. Alright, now let's see what price does. Maybe famous. NFP Thursday or NFP Friday. NFP. 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 Nice. Were they on ES? If they're on ES and NQ, I don't know if I would have. We have a half day on for ES and NQ, so I don't even want to touch this. I mean, there's still maybe something there, but I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I don't want to practice bad habits, so I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Wait. Let's see how we react off that daily order block. We also have an. Oh, that's the hourly order block. Where's the daily order block level? Oh, we've already passed it. Let's see ES. All right, ES is, however, oh, this could be very nice delivery here on NFP, but it's NFP. Oh, I forgot it's at 8:30, not 9:30. I'm just gonna wait. No wick on the candle. I think we're definitely heading back up to buy side. So we come down, take sell side here. I think we get PM. I think we get repricing higher. Hourly order block. Maybe like a new week opening gap or like a new day opening gap. I actually do want to check this out. It's Friday, October 22nd. So that would be what, December? Hopefully I have enough data for this. Oh no. Are you kidding? We gotta do like a 7-minute chart. Eight-minute chart. Never in my life would I ever think I would be on the 8-minute chart. Never ever. Oh, now I spoiled it though. That's whatever. I had a feeling. I had a feeling. I had a feeling. Oh my gosh, bro. Ain't no way. 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 Ain't no damn way. Hold up. I'm gonna turn off my lights, bro. I got some LED lights in my studio now. Yeah, is that a little bit better? Ain't no way. 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 See, that's why I like using new week opening gap, new day opening gap. I would have never, ever. It's also different delivery. Or maybe that's because the 8-minute chart. Does the 8-minute chart have a wick? Minute Let's add. Man, even a chart's nice. Beautiful delivery on the 8-minute chart. And obviously, we just end up seeking sell side. See, like, I wish FX Replay had new week opening gap indicator. New week opening gap. Because when I'm looking at the FX Replay charts, something about me just doesn't trust in the... Like, I guess you could, like, manually do it every single day, but something about me just, like, doesn't trust it. I guess I could get in here and then, like, I don't think these gaps are accurate though. I don't want to have like try to like backtest false data. You know, because here it says that there's a new day opening gap right here. Oh yeah, there is. Right there. I guess I could go in and do it myself. So I think that's Thursday's new day opening gap. Wait. All right. NFP just absolutely just melts. There's just no opportunity here. None. Not anything. So we're just gonna go on to the next day. Okay, we just had a large range day. Keep that in mind. $9.30. Judas lower. Five-minute change to delivery. We have an imbalance above market price here. That could look to get rebalanced. We've just taken sell side liquidity. Barely purchased it though, so keep in mind. Did we draw into that order block? Oh my gosh. To the tick. Wait. To the tick. What's the open on that? 1106825. High is 1108625. Am I trying to backtest a bank holiday? This is a bank holiday. There is no way this is a bank holiday. There's no way. This looks like a normal day. Press. You gotta hold shift. You gotta hold shift when you draw it. And you gotta use a trend line. Trend line. Hold shift. And then if you want to ever delete something, you press like your middle scroll wheel. You click that down. That's how you delete it without having to press the delete button. Other than that, those are like the main tips I know. Hold on, this is a bank holiday. Is it though? I don't know. It says bank holiday. Yeah, of course. Oh my gosh. Alright, it says it's a bank holiday, so I'll trust. What holiday was October 10th? Columbus Day. Man, I forgot about that holiday. Not gonna lie. Here, I'm gonna try to listen to this while I backtest. Let's see if it's distracting. Look at that order block. No news. PPI and then CPI. We have an imbalance right here. Oh, 50% of that delivered to nicely. Where's low resistance? Where is low resistance liquidity? We do have some above the market price, and we do have some below. So I need more information. 930 distribution. Wow, we took sell side, come back up to the buy side. We come down to sell side here. Look at this imbalance though. Whoo-wee. It's too distracting to try to get my. Order flow is bearish, and we have low resistance liquidity signature right here. Draw lower. Take sell side. We have short-term sell side that we take. Short-term sell side. Then we have an imbalance. Short-term sell side taken. Then imbalance to rebalance. And then sell side to distribute to. Wick never gets tested. Alright, so sell side has just been taken. And right now, we've just started a 10-10 macro. Where are we at on the higher time frame? We're at an absolute extreme. We're in a deep, deep premium. So we can have expansion lower, for sure. Let's see though. Okay, 10-10 macro. I don't think the market will bottom like this. I do want to look at something real quick. Wait, hold on. I need to look at my notes real quick. I think Williams percent R, 80% is... I don't know where it is. I think it's in the last month or so. Sorry, I'm looking for this. Well, it's 80 and 20. And this means it's overbought, and this means it's oversold. So you want to buy here, or you want to sell here, because that means it's overbought. Where retail will see this and say it's oversold. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, maybe oversold up here, then overbought. I don't know. We do have a nice wick there though, and we do have a 1, 2, 3 drive. Look at constant encouragement of that. Buy side taken. For value gap in, for value gap out. Displacement, boom. Short term sell side right there. Wow. Okay. So we do want to change to delivery. $10.10 macro starts buy side delivery. Kind of consolidate around the 50%. Where's 1050? Big displacement higher. We do have a fair value gap here. And we come up into buy side. So buy side taken here as well. Two buy side liquidity pools taken. Oh, look where -1 lines up with. Okay, yeah, fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Here comes your second fair value gap here. Very sensitive right there. Institutional order flow entry drill. We haven't really had any market structure shift or changes to delivery until these up close candles get claimed as your order block. That'll be 1 15-minute order block probably, right? Yeah, that's 1 15-minute order block. That's your order block. Boom, here. Then you have an imbalance here. Sell side imbalance. All right. Low key, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some slideshows to record. I'm gonna make some slideshows to record on stream. So I mean, I guess it's like kind of like I'm just backtesting on stream, and then I'm gonna create a video. I don't know. It's cool. All right. Where's my? How can I see folders? Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. slides. Okay. Let's get into it. I'm gonna do the day after this. We're gonna do some case studies. So I'm recording myself film a case study. Or I'm already recording the case study. What day is it? Wednesday? Oh, we have PPI. PPI. Okay. Alright, let's just go through the whole day. What day was this? The 12th of October. 10/12/22. Okay, what is order flow on the daily? Bearish. We just that was terrible. We're just within this doing range here. Remember they did repeat. We just consolidated around the 25%. Roast. That's 9:30. And notice here, we just consolidate within this dealing range. Wait, so does this day have PPI the next day? So yeah, so this has CPI the next day. Does ES end up taking this? No. And then we have FOMC meeting minutes at 2. And there's really just nothing here. I don't know, honestly. Like, do I even really need to do case studies anymore if I'm just gonna be backtesting every day? Maybe. I guess we'll see. Honestly, I'd rather just backtest and just like say my thoughts out loud, and then I'll just be live. We'll see. I'll record that one though. Okay, so we have CPI this day. I think that's better, honestly, because then I'll just have these like live streams, and they'll also be recorded. The market's stalling. It's gonna be a big move, I think. All right, I need to stop right before it. Okay. Right here. Where are we at? We're in a D premium. We have this fair value gap that resides above market price. I don't know. I feel like that's a little bit extreme. I don't know if we'll draw all the way up into that. Let's see. They've left lows here, so is there any hourly imbalance? Nope. There's no imbalance to really rebalance. We have this one, but I'm not looking at that one. Oh my gosh. Jeez, a whole nuke just got dropped. Wow. Right to rejection block. And then that imbalance became the draw on liquidity. Or no, it didn't. Wait, that's ES. Yeah, it did on NQ. All these buy stops liquidated for us to absolutely destroy everyone. Absolutely and utterly just cause max damage. 400 points in 5 minutes. 400 points in 5 minutes. There goes the gamblers. Or maybe they just made $1 million. 9:30 right here. We've liquidated sell side. Then we end up getting a change to delivery. And big repricing higher here. I want to look at this imbalance to see, like, on the lower time frame, do we possibly reaccumulate in any of these levels here? So we've had 5-minute change of state delivery. Let's look for 15. Well, there won't be 15. Or there could be. Yeah, 15-minute. We have 15-minute change of state delivery here. Kind of just have rapid repricing higher. All the way up, and then we take buy side. All right. Loki, I might end it here or end it soon. I think I'm low-key gonna end it here. I don't know. I kind of want to keep it going though. Cause I'll probably be trying to backtest later. I don't know. I think 3.5 hours is that's a decent session. That's a decent session. Anyways, yeah. There's always gonna be tomorrow. We'll see. I want to do like a 10 hour. I want to do like a 10-hour stream, but I feel like that's kind of excessive. I'll definitely have to like eat on stream or something. Anyways, wait. Let's look at the market. Let's look at the market real quick. And Loki, I'll say I'll probably want to head out, but I'll probably be on here for like another 40 minutes. Oh, that was that. Okay, draw liquidity got taken. Was that my indicator? Okay. Look at. How do we respect these 10 a.m. Do we have any 10 a.m. news? Oh yeah, we have news today. We have like FOMC meeting minutes today as well, but it's a half day. So wait, if we have meeting minutes and it's a half day, okay, all right, and we had 10 a.m. I don't care to be in on this. Let's look at euro manipulation. I do want to look at that like today central bank dealers range. It's gonna be could have high day. If this is a high day, that's kind of crazy. If that's high day, that's like absolutely insane. If that is the high day, that's insane. I don't know. I feel like 80% of the time when I've forecasted a central bank's dealers range, it's always worked. Damn, GU is going crazy here. Okay, what's dollar doing then? Dollar, oh my, dollar's been dollar's not bullish. We want these lows. We want these lows for sure. Well, I'm not gonna say for sure, but I think we want these lows. I think we still want these lows. Like this is just consolidation, and none of these are razor holding. If we wanted buy side right now, we would have taken buy side. So I think that we want to see these lows first, at least. Let's look at Tesla. I'm curious. And I should have paper handed. I sold a Tesla position yesterday. I had that imbalance. That's cool. I got my piece. I got like here to here. It's up 6% today too. Wow. Yeah, I'd rather be out of the position than regret being in it. You know, because I have Tesla in my Roth IRA, so. All right, yeah. I'm finna end it right here. Anyways, I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys tomorrow for more back testing. The market's not open at all, so I'll probably just do the same thing I did this morning. I'll probably go a little bit longer, honestly. We'll see. Anyways,